Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got another really cool horn to look at. So this is an original 1953 Leslie S5T bronze tabby with two-piece bells, welded bells. So what I mean by two-piece welded bells are these two right here. You've got a two-piece welded 25 and a two-piece welded 31. Very rare bells, hard to find, not many of them left. They were only made for a couple years in the early 50s. This horn, like I said, it's your standard S5T platform. It's got the 25, it's got a 31, it's got a 37, it's got a 44 and a 55. All these bells are square bells, except for the 55, it is a floating 55. I do have a square 55. Your square 55 is going to be older than your floating, but they only made those for like 1 year, so they're very hard to find. But anyway, like I said, original 53, these are your bronze tabby power chambers. They ran these from like 1950 through 1957. They have been remachined. So with your power chambers, I'll go over it in this video. You've got bronze tabbies, 1950 through 1957. Then you go to aluminum tabbies. That is 1957 to 1967. After that, you go to your dome back heads. That's 1967 to 1977. And then from 77 and up, let's see, to 85, you had your spike back Persephone power chambers, RS heads, and then you have from 85 to present to now, you have your Tampa RS heads. So nothing changed on those, just where they manufactured them. Leslie moved to Tampa from Persephone. Originally they were in Lyndhurst. So that is it on this horn. They use a lot of air, very loud. These are going to be louder than like a K5LA. Sound really good. A lot of people love the Leslie, a 5-chime Leslie. Getting harder to find. Unfortunately, Leslie isn't producing horns anymore. Another company did buy them out, but I'm not sure if they're going to produce them anymore. But if they do, I believe they're going to be rebranded. So your original old Leslies are kind of fading out, unfortunately. But anyway, I guess that's about it for this horn. I will be doing my regular run by, my regular static test here at the house, and then I'll probably be doing this horn. I'll probably put an additional run by in this video also at a new location. So anyway, y'all enjoy that. This is the 1953 bronze tabby Leslie S5T with two-piece bells.